Russia's new Orion attack drone was used to destroy a military facility in Ukraine, marking its debut in the active conflict zone. Video footage released by the Russian Defense Ministry shows the drone, also known as Inokodets, destroying a Ukrainian army's either command post in Donetsk People's Republic. The Orion is seen firing a guided missile at a ground object. Developed by Kronstadt, the Orion is a middle-altitude long-flight drone that can carry up to 4 air-to-ground missiles. Its cruising speed is up to 200 km per hour and maximum flight altitude is 7.5 km. The drone can stay in the air for up to 24 hours. Its maximum payload weight is 250 kg, and its arsenal includes the Cub-20 and Cub-50 adjustable aerial bombs and the X-50 guided missile. The Orion Uacv features a turret under the nose with electro-optical and infrared cameras and also possesses a laser target designator to deliver guided weapons. The drone is likely to be equipped with electronic warfare systems in the near future. The advanced Uacv can also be fitted with additional cameras or a surveillance radar. The Orion drone demonstrated its fighter-like capabilities, trials of which were conducted at the Crimean training ground. And mod footage showed a pilot in the ground control station using the drone's sensors to first identify the target before initiating a missile attack. It is seen launching an air-launched version of Kornet anti-tank guided missile against the helicopter drone in the video. This test is conducted by Russia to use the Orion drone as an interceptor for Ukraine's Bayraktar's drone, which can be shut down in air. As Warzone reports, Russian forces started deploying loitering munitions in the battlefields of Ukraine. Ukrainian sources have claimed that this drone contained a kilogram of explosives with metal balls and fell over the roof of a building in Podil neighborhood in Kyiv and set the roof on fire. The accompanying photos also show clouds of smoke emerging out of a roof on a building. The UAV is intended to be affordable, simple, and easy to operate that can be used for reconnaissance and attack purposes. As per the company claims, it has an endurance of 30 minutes, speeds of 80 to 130 km per hour and can carry a payload of 3 kg. The drone has been used by Russian forces in Syria for striking terrorist targets in Idlib, Hama and other parts of Syria. The Russians are developing the UAV to use it as an aerial minefield and have proposed to use against Bayraktar drone, which could launch a dozen UAV drones given their swarm capabilities to first identify a Bayraktar and then destroy it.